Okay, you don't know this, but this is the end of the video that you're about to watch. We're on the east side of the garage. This is an open control joint that should have been sealed. This is the lawn sprinkler control wire conduit, and it's been broken and compromised. It can compromise the wires and water into the electrical system. That should have been done a little different. But now we're jumping forward. Okay. This is the attic pull-down access ladder, and the rails, stiles, call it what you will, the feet haven't been cut to allow the hinges to extend 100%. This ladder is not safe to use. Only an idiot would go up a ladder like this. This is going to be my next training video. Maybe you want to tighten some of the hardware while we're at it. Huh. Light switches. Let's try this. That didn't change anything. Here we go. Good home inspection safety bulletin number 8. Okay, these holes for the hinge plate should have been filled, secured with nails. Oh, CSST. Yikes. Alright. Light switch. Took us a while. Let there be. Alright. We got radiant barrier OSB boards. And we got CSST gas plumbing. And that just, this is for surfing, man. Okay, this manifold for the CSST has not been properly bonded. This is a fire safety issue in case you have a lightning strike. And look how it goes right next to the ceiling over there going into the water heater. Oh my god, I just hope they didn't punch a hole in it with the roofing nails. Look at that. CSST too close to the roof deck over the water heater. What else have we got? We got 2 indoor air handlers, okay. 2 attic videos, probably. Yeah, I gotta go up that ladder too. You know what I'm not seeing? I'm not seeing any insulation depth markers. This is cellulose, about 8 inches. That is mixed attic ventilation from the attic video. That looks like it might be the clothes dryer flue. What is that right there? It doesn't have any insulation over the front doors over there. What is that? We don't have any insulation over this part of the attic. What's that about? I see 1 soffit baffle. Okay, we're supposed to have continuous soffits, we're supposed to have continuous baffles. So no insulation over the big middle of the house. No depth markers, cellulose about 8 inches, which is actually pretty good. It's not the same as fiberglass. We got improper venting system. It's hot as up here, man. It is hot, hot, hot. We got an disconnected flue. Got non-bonded CSS. Some of it's too close to the roof covering. Storage. We got a little bit of that.